Hey there, I'm going to a little bit blow your mind right here on how to add some clip art into your images. Sorry, into your Google Docs, your social scripts, your schedules, and things like that. And it's all using a Chrome extension called Read and Write. Now, Read and Write is a really cool product for students. It's an accessibility product that helps students with being able to dictate and word predict and things like that. But one of the most beautiful things about it is that it is free for teachers. So all teachers can have access to it. And then if your school district decides to get it for students, then they do need to pay for it for student subscriptions. But keeping in mind that it's free for teachers, you can download it and then say you want to add things to a read and write, to a schedule or something like that. So I am going to increase my size here and I'm going to start telling a story, and I want to include some visuals in my story. Yesterday, I took a walk with my dog. Now I can double click on dog. I can go up here to this little image thing near the top where it says picture dictionary. It knows it's a dog, and then I can choose one of these dogs and pull it in. And then I can change the size, I can change the location, I can do things like that. And then I'm going to write a little bit more. I'm going to say he is really nice and likes to chase squirrels. Okay, now I'm going to double click on that. My picture dictionary is going to find a squirrel. I'm going to just drag it in here. And now I've got a squirrel here as well. So I can do that for anything. I can write a social script, I can do a schedule, I can do a behavior chart, I can do any of that and just have these images pop up and pull them right into my text. And it is a beautiful, super, super easy way to add images to whatever you are doing and trying to print out for your students.